In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for meeting agendas. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started on this comprehensive guide that will help you streamline your meeting preparations and truly make the most out of ClickUp's powerful features. First off, let's head over to ClickUp. You can do this by simply entering the ClickUp website into your browser. Once you're there, look for the Login button. If you already have a ClickUp account, just click to log in. A little tip here, for those of you who manage everything through Google, you can click the Sign In with Google option. This will pull up a list of your Google accounts. Choose the account you use for ClickUp to get things rolling. Now that you're successfully logged in, navigate to the workspace where you'll be setting up your meeting agendas. This workspace is essentially your project hub, and it's where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll notice an option represented by 3 little dots. Go ahead and click on those dots to bring up a list of additional options. From that list, choose Templates. This is where we begin to make things efficient. Next, you want to click on Browse Templates. Now this is where ClickUp really shines, offering a plethora of pre-designed templates that can save you a ton of time. In the search bar, type in Team Meeting. This will bring up a list of relevant templates designed specifically for managing team meetings effectively. Once you have the options displayed in front of you, find and click on the Team Meeting Management template. This specific template is crafted to handle all aspects of a team meeting with ease. After you click on it, look for the Use Template button. It's a straightforward step, but it's essential. When you click this button, it integrates the chosen template into your current workspace. Now, after importing the template, it's a good idea to rename it. This small but significant step will help you identify it quickly later on, so you don't have to sift through your workspace to find it. Click on the template name and give it something specific, like Weekly Team Meeting. Once it's renamed to something that suits your needs, confirm it by clicking the Use Template button again. Great! Now you have your meeting agenda template ready to go in ClickUp. But hold on, we're not done just yet. Let's dive into customizing the template to really suit your team's needs. When you open up your newly named template, you'll see various sections that the template has included. These sections may involve agenda items, assigned tasks, notes, and even sections for decisions made. Take a moment to think about what specific topics you want to cover in your meetings. You might want to adjust the agenda items accordingly. Feel free to add a few tasks that need to be completed before the meeting, or designate someone to handle each agenda item. Customizing the sections ensures that your meetings are not only organized, but also focused on actionable items. Remember, a key part of an effective meeting is clarity. Make sure to take notes during your meetings directly within ClickUp. This way, everyone can refer back to decisions made or tasks assigned. It's all about creating a space where information is easily accessible. You can even invite team members to collaborate on this agenda. Just simply share the ClickUp document with them. They can add their own agenda points or comment on existing ones. This input can be invaluable in ensuring that all relevant voices are heard before the meeting even takes place. And there you have it. You've not only set up a meeting agenda using ClickUp, but you've also customized it to fit your team's unique needs. It's a fantastic way to make sure your meetings are productive and focused. I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found it useful. Happy meeting planning!